Alright guys, we got the sand unloaded here. I picked up 20 bags. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. Probably would have been cheaper if I had a truck and I would have been able to go to a mulch yard and just got a scoop of sand, but I had to go to the Lowe's and get it in bags. So I bought 20. We're gonna pour them out before it gets hot and fill that, and then we'll see if we're gonna need more. Alright guys, got the sand in. Probably pick up another 5 bags just to fill it in a little bit more, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and add the U-bolts for the fabric. Our bolt, eye bolt. This is a 1/4 inch by 4 inches. We measured 3 inches out so that it would be in line. Alright, after getting the first one done, we went ahead and took care of all the other ones. Alright, so the final piece is the fabric sail that goes over it, kind of like a shade. And so I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some outdoor fabric. This is probably, this and the sand were the most expensive, but we spent $50 plus the glue for the outdoor fabric, so it's like $54. And I don't know how to sew, I don't know how to cut, so I'm just using fabric glue. And I need a 42 inch by 14 piece, and then we're also going to add some grommets, so go ahead and do that. We're going to do it over here in the shade just because it's kind of hot out there. Alright guys, so it was a little windy this day, so I had to hold down my cloth with hammers and stuff, but we measured, it was a little bit wider than the 42 inches, so I folded some of the ends inside, and then we're gonna glue them using the fabric glue that we picked up at Hobby Lobby so that the ends don't get frayed. And I'm just generously applying fabric glue all along the edge of the fabric here. Alright, and once we had that done, we went and got the arrow grommet kit. We're going to take this, we're going to put it right on the corner like that. Take this, and we're going to whack it. Step 2, you're going to take the anvil and the grommet stem and move that and put it through like that. The grommet washer, put it over. Alright, you're going to take the punch body head, attach it to the right size. This is a 3/8. Place it over this and make sure it's on the anvil, and then we're going to hit it. Alright guys, and there we have it. Here's our grommet. Alright, then we went ahead and finished up the rest of the grommets as well. This was pretty easy. This is the first time I used a grommet kit. Boom! Alright guys, we got our grommets in our sail. We're going to cut off some of the excess cloth that we had, and then we are going to go put this on the sandbox. Alright, so we just used some nylon rope that we picked up at Lowe's, I believe. It's the Blue Hawk, and I believe it's like a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, but it's just your regular nylon rope. We tied the rope through the grommet and through the eyelets, and we just flipped the sail over on top of the wood structure, and we tied the other end the same way. Alright guys, we are done with the sailboat. Took about 3 hours yesterday and another like 2 hours today. So you can definitely get this done in a day, but it's done. It is 12 feet long. It's a 2x10, and we're probably gonna add a little bit of sand here later this week, but for now it is good to go. Got the sail on there, and check it out. You like it?
Daddies don't like it.
You want me to make you one at home?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at those cute little toes.